Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today's video title is guys how to remove fingerprint lock in Tecno mobile. Friends, you don't want to use Tecno mobile fingerprint lock, you want to remove fingerprint lock. So friends, now let's see how to remove fingerprint lock in Tecno mobile. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you don't want to unlock your tech mobile with fingerprint lock. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, how to remove fingerprint lock? Scroll down here, open your phone security setting. So friends, we will turn on Tecno mobile phone security setting. After turn on phone security setting friends, you can see biometric setting, and if you tap here fingerprint lock setting, so you can use your fingerprint lock setting. Enter your password. You have pattern lock, use your device pattern to continue, and use your device pin to continue. Next, you want to add fingerprint lock, so you can add fingerprint lock. Finger one friends, you can select and you can remove your fingerprint lock in Tecno mobile. Delete your fingerprint lock, will delete fingerprint, will remove in your Tecno mobile, and you can unlock your Tecno mobile without fingerprint lock. And friends, if you tap here rename option, so you can rename your fingerprint lock, and you don't want to rename, you can cancel and tap here fingerprint lock remove. After remove fingerprint lock, you can note your fingerprint on lock screen, app lock setting, and wallet password, your hide password setting. You want to use, first you will have to add fingerprint lock, then you can use your fingerprint lock in your Tecno mobile. Enter your password, tap here add fingerprint lock, add your fingerprint lock. You can unlock your mobile with fingerprint lock. Now friends, you can unlock your mobile with your face lock data, and you have pattern lock, you have pin password. So enter your pin, draw your pattern, you can unlock your Tecno mobile, and you have your face lock data. So friends, show your face and your phone will unlock with your face lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If you doubt, have any problem in Tecno mobile password and biometric setting, so friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.